Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why things move the way they do? Or why something stays perfectly still until you or something else acts upon it? Well, let's dive right into the fascinating world of physics and demystify these queries using Newton's laws of motion. First up, Newton's first law, often called the law of inertia. Imagine you're sitting in a car that suddenly stops. If you feel like you're lurching forward, that's inertia in action. This law states that an object will stay at rest or keep moving at a constant velocity unless acted upon by an external force. So, when the car stops, your body wants to keep moving forward. Next, Newton's second law comes into play. This law can be summarized simply F equals ma, or force equals mass times acceleration. This means the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the force applied and inversely proportional to its mass. Think about it this way: if you use the same force to push a shopping cart and a car, the lighter shopping cart will move faster because it has less mass. Moving on to the third law, which states for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This one's a bit like karma in physics. When you jump, your legs push down on the ground and the ground pushes right back up, propelling you into the air. But wait, there's more to motion than just these laws. Let's talk about torques. Torque is a force that causes an object to rotate around an axis. Ever used a wrench? The force you apply at the handle travels along the tool and twists the bolt at the other end. The length of the wrench combined with the force you apply determines the torque. Essentially, torque is what helps us turn things. Imagine two people of different weights on a seesaw. For the seesaw to balance, the heavier person must sit closer to the pivot point, while the lighter person sits further away. This is because torque depends on both the force applied and the distance from the pivot. So there you have it. Newton's three laws of motion and a quick look at how torques play a vital role in the mechanics of everyday life. Whether it's driving a car, playing sports, or just jumping around, these principles govern much of the physical world around us. Understanding them not only answers so many whys, but also enhances our interaction with the physical world. And remember, forces like gravity, friction, and air resistance also play crucial roles in how objects move and interact. For instance, gravity keeps us grounded, friction helps us walk without slipping, and air resistance affects how fast a car can go. Keep questioning, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.